Artificial intelligence is likely to be either the best or worst thing happen to humanity. Technology is moving at a faster pace as it has made our work easy, but then it is also having a negative effect on traditional careers which are becoming more automated. Hey guys, welcome to our channel Best 10. Today's video is much interesting for those who are about to choose their careers in their life, as the topic is jobs that will disappear in the next 10 years. Also, watch this video till the end because we'll be revealing some areas in which jobs are safe even after next 20 years. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Best 10. There was once a time when booking for getaways, we used to go through some brochures and finalize the best deals from travel agents. Now, with the easy-to-use websites, anybody can arrange their own holiday with pre-booked accommodation and flights. All you need is your bank card and few spare hours. Many travel operators have realized this and are closing down their branches to focus on their online offers. It is clear to anyone who has been in a grocery store or big box chain that the days of cashier are numbered. Amazon is taking a step further by experimenting with the stores that don't have checkout lines at all. While not everyone is on board, with some preferring to still use cash to better keep a track on their spending, but one thing is for sure, requirement of cashiers is no more. Guys, do you remember when was the last time you visited to a public library? Although there will always be books in the world regardless of success of e-readers like Kindle, but it doesn't look good for librarians. Many public libraries are struggling to stay open due to funding cuts, while academic institutions have already started to upload their text online for convenience reasons. While there will still be need for couriers to deliver parcels, things don't look good for the traditional postman delivering letters each morning. This is mainly because the things that they deliver won't exist in the next 20 years, with bills and statements viewed and paid online, mails moving to your email box rather than letter box, and the written letters have become a dying art. The world will always have drivers of some sort, and we'll be probably still driving in the next 10 years. But there are a lot of resources being dedicated to handing over the wheel to automation. Self-driven cars are only a few years away, and when switch happens, it's not just our personal vehicles that will be autonomous, it will be Uber vehicles and public buses too. Not all farmers will disappear within 10 years, but as we have seen over the past couple of generations, their role will diminish. At one time, most of the Americans were farmers. Now, there are only around 2 million across the country. Technology is making it easier for fewer people to produce more yield, and it's likely that indoor farms will start increasing due to their popularity. The new batch of farmers might resemble scientists or biologists. There was a time when you didn't want to answer your phone because you thought it might be a telemarketer. They still exist, but only in few numbers. These days, robot callers are replacing telemarketers. Companies go for robocalls as they will be able to make more calls in less time, also eliminate the need of employers to pay people to do this job. Professional fishermen face threats to their jobs on all fronts. The technology is clearly getting better, that is, fewer people are required to run an operation, but imports of seafood and farm-raised fish are becoming more popular and cheaper. There is also issue of overfishing to take into consideration, and the fact that climate change also impacting the availability of stocks of fishes. Publishing and printing, at least in old-fashioned sense, is an endangered industry. Technology has brought it into digital realm, and we have seen aftermath in declining newspaper readership and rise of e-books. After all, why wait until tomorrow to read about news when there is absolute wealth of sources online that offers minute-by-minute coverage? you have ever fancied a career as a referee or an umpire, chances are your services won't be required in future. People make mistakes after all, so why not put a robot in change? Plus, who are you going to argue with when you feel the robot has made a bad call? It's all sensors and circuits and isn't influenced by the crowd, players or coaches. This move will surely reduce scope of errors. So guys, what should you do instead? Although the prospects for these jobs might look grim, it's not all bad news. As said, we will now be revealing some areas in which jobs are safe even after 20 years. Jobs that require genuine creativity, such as artists, scientists, or business strategists, where computers will never be able to replicate them. These jobs include doctors and other medical professionals or business professionals who maintain close relations with their clients. These jobs include emergency services in random locations such as plumbers or gas engineers. So guys, before choosing some career, think again and go for what you love. And on which topic you want us to make our next video, please tell in the comment section below. Also, if you want us to give you best information related to upcoming trending topics, make sure you like, share our video and subscribe to our channel Best 10 and hit the bell icon to get notified first.